morning mga palangga. So, katatapos ko lang sa aking trabaho. I am only in for 3 hours today. So, pauwi na tayo. What's happening? Ah, I see. Nagwo-wonder na ako bakit may mga tao. Nag-aano pala sila, nag-queue sila sa butchers. May maraming cyclists ako nakikita. The temperature ngayon, the temperature today is 10 degrees and tomorrow will be even warmer. So that's why the government has been saying na don't be tempted to go out tomorrow because it will be a good weather tomorrow. Just please listen to the instruction. Please stay at home. Kasi staying at home can save lives. So please stay home po tayo. As much as possible, stay home. Alam nyo, gustong-gusto ko mag-stay home, pero yun na nga, hindi madali din. I am home. Nasa bahay na ako. Papasensyahan nyo na buhaghag yung hair ko kasi pagdating ko sa bahay, naligo na ako, nag-freshen up, and ito na. I let my hair dry naturally, so kaya ayun, buhaghag. Ito talaga yung natural hair ko. Sobrang frizzy. You know, and sobrang, para siyang may pagka-wavy na pagka-curly. Hindi ko alam. Anyway, nasaan na yun si Mr.? Nagtitrim si Mr. ng mga damo. Saan na ba yun? Akala ko nandito yun. Tingnan natin dito. Let's see. Parang nandoon ata si Mr. Hindi ko makita. Hindi natin makita dito. Try again sa office. Hindi pa din makita. So, try natin sa bedroom. Ayan! Nakikita nyo na yun, oh. Sobrang busy niya. At tinitrim niya yan kasi pag nagpuputol kasi siya ng grass using the mower. Ay, laki ng mukha ko. Hindi kasi siya naaabot sa mower. Kaya ayun. So anyway mga palangga, naghahanap ako ng recipe para mag-bake tayo. Tataba na talaga tayo nito kasi pagkain na lang yung palaging iniisip. Well, wala naman talaga tayong magawa. So, why not be productive and learn to bake? Kasi ako naman talaga, inaamin ko na I'm not good at baking and I am learning. I am learning every day. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Yung mata ko sobrang dark niya kasi kanina nag-eyeliner ako, nag-mascara, anong naligo ako. Yung mata ko sobrang dark dito. Kaya, hindi po yan mukhang ano talaga dark. Kailangan ko lang linisin yung mata ko, under eyes ko. So, I have the recipe here with me mga loves. So, the recipe is from All Recipes. And kung hindi ko man nabanggit kung ano yung ibibake natin for today, yung ibibake natin is fruit cake. So, yung recipe is called Quick and Easy Fruit Cake. I will leave the link in the description below. So, go ahead and check if you want. So, yung ingredients, sobrang minimal lang. So, it requires how many ingredients? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ingredients. So, first ingredients na hinihingi niya is 225 grams of self-raising flour, 110 grams of butter, 110 grams of sugar, 225 mixed fruits, 1 egg, 5 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Optional siya at wala naman din akong mixed spice, so hindi natin yan gagamitin kasi wala. So, we only have 6 ingredients with us. So, kailangan ko munang isosoft yung butter kasi dito sa first step is rub the butter into the flour until it looks like a fine breadcrumb. So, titimbangin ko muna tong butter natin kasi we required 110 grams of butter, and then after na makuha natin yung required weight, we will leave it for room temperature para ma-soften yung butter. Hiwain ko siya ng maliliit para mas madaling ma-soft ba. So tomorrow, meron na naman akong trabaho tomorrow, and I am trying to finish my unit before Monday kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga siya matapos kasi gusto ko nang mag-move on to the next subject, pero kung hindi ko man siya matapos, then wala na tayong magagawa. Sugar. So I will just prepare all the ingredients and I'll be right back, mga loves. Sugar. Naparami yung sugar. 110. Self-raising flour. So, kahapon pala, pumunta kami, mapapanood niyo yung vlog. So, pumunta kami sa Tesco to do some grocery shopping for the home and para sa mama ni Jan. So, pumunta ako sa baking section ng Tesco, and until now, they did not have the caster sugar kasi kailangan natin ng caster sugar sa pag-bake. Kasi last time, nag-bake ako sa pineapple upside down, yung sugar na ginamit ko is the granulated sugar. Pero, it works okay naman. It turned out okay naman yung cake natin. So, yun na muna. Kung wala tayong caster sugar. So, yung hinihingi pala dito is mixed fruits. Pero, wala akong mixed fruits. So, imimix ko na lang yung sultanas and yung raisins. Wala akong ng mixed fruit eh. So, ito na lang. Alam nyo ba, lately, nung in-announce talaga ng mag-lockdown dito sa UK, sobrang daming dumadaan na cyclist and walker dito sa amin. So, I don't know. Yung ibang tao hindi talaga nakikinig sa payo ng government. Para silang nag-shrink. Alam nyo, yung idea ko is buhusan ko siya ng hot water para mag-expand sila. Pero tingin ko parang nag-shrink sila. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, we'll just leave it. So, lagay natin dyan ang flour. Oops! Soft na yung butter. Tingnan nyo, sobrang soft na. Yan. So, irarab na natin siya. You know, one of the reason I am not very keen of baking kasi yung mess. I am messy naman talaga, pero yung flour mess, parang I would rather choose cooking than baking. Pero yun, kailangan talaga nating matuto mag-bake para ano tayo ba? The super housewife. So, ito na yung ano natin, flour and butter. So, mukha na siyang breadcrumbs, diba? So, kailangan na muna nating i-drain yung ating sultana and raisins, and then egg. I-add natin sila dito. But before that, i-preheat natin yung oven natin. Yan. Kalimutan ko din palang i-mention na kailangan na nating i-add yung sugar natin. So, add the sugar. Yan. And yan. So, i-mix ko siya. Wala, uy. Tingnan nyo. I hope lang talaga okay to. Then, add the milk. Kukuha muna ako ng milk, ha? 5 tablespoons of milk. An egg.
Eggs in the cupboard.
Yes, mister. You need to wash your face, hon.
What's wrong with that?
You got dark face.
And I'm taking that to you. Like twins, me and you.
Do you think, is it okay to use a hand mixer?
Can you see? Twins.
Hand? Or do I need... No, I don't need...
Just fit in, darling.
Stir it in?
Exercise will do you good.
Okay.
I think I'll have coffee.
I think it would be better. Oh no, it won't. No, I don't think so. It's a good idea to use a hand mixer because the mixture is very thick.
Yeah, and you'll burn it out.
So we will burn the hand mixer, so we don't want to happen.
Burn the
We don't want
out.
it to happen, diba?
You stir it. Make sure you stir it everywhere.
Can you help me, Han?
Oh,
Please?
you need exercise.
I had enough exercise at work.
You've done a couple of hours.
Don't give me that, Han. You don't know my job.
Tell me anything.
Yeah.
Do you know something? If you had a spatula, you could actually do that with a spatula.
Every time I go to the Tesco or Dunelm, I want a spatula, but you never allow me to buy a spatula.
Go get one. Just buy one. Shop shut. You're not allowed out. You have to stay home.
So, ito na siya mga loves. Yan na, oh. It looks good naman, di ba? So, we'll use this tin. So, lalagyan muna natin siya ng butter para hindi dumikit yung ating
Where was it?
fruitcake. Down there.
Can you do it? Well, you could have put your brown paper in there.
There you go.
Darling.
Yes?
You could have put your brown paper in.
No, that's alright.
It would have helped you.
I hope masarap ito. Kung ano-ano na lang talaga yung ginagawa natin, no? Yung mama ko, sobrang nag-worry siya sa akin kasi ano daw, nagtatrabaho pa ako. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, I give her reassurance naman na we are wearing a PPE, so walang ikakabahala. It's okay to say na walang ikakabahala. Of course, ano din ako, natatakot naman din talaga ako. Pero, you know, to make her okay. Maganda talaga, no? Pag meron akong spatula, pero wala talaga akong spatula. Di bali, pag nakapunta na tayo, pwede na tayo mag-shopping-shopping, bibili tayo. Pero pwede naman akong bumili online, then ipa-deliver ko dito sa bahay. O tama naman, di ba? Sige, bili tayo. I-spread ko muna itong mixture natin evenly sa ating cake tin.
Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii.
Ngayon na tinitingnan ko yung ating mixture. Sana gumamit ako ng brown sugar para naman may kulay siya. Mas maganda siguro. So, ito na siya. So, ito yung before. So, lagay na natin siya sa oven. Bye! I will just time this for 25 minutes. But, of course, we will keep on checking just in case. 25 minutes. There you go. So, maglilinis muna ako dito. Lilinisin ko muna to. Tingnan niyo. So, meron tayong natirang butter dito. Magto-toast tayo. Kasi sayang naman siyang ano, diba? Sayang siyang i-throw away. Sayang kasi kung itapon yung leftover na butter. Yung ginamit ko pang grease sa ano natin pa, tin. Yan. So, magto-toast tayo. Why not naman, di ba? I prefer this one than this one. I don't know why, but parang ito, parang mas matamis siya kaysa dito. Nawala na talaga yung diet natin. Wala na. Yung isang slice, lalagyan natin ng Nutella. Nutella. Kain! Ang sarap talaga. Malapit na dito mag 4 o'clock. 10 to 4 na dito. So, itong tripod ko, nag-i-slide siya. Nag-i-slide talaga siya. Yung tea natin for today, si John, yung tea niya is yung binigay sa atin ni Ate Divine, yung meat and potato pie. Yung akin, mag-iisda lang ako kasi meron akong sibas and vegetable. Ito. Ito yung vegetable na gagamitin natin. So, yun lang. Sobrang simple. Well, check our fruit cake. Wow! Tingnan niyo mga loves. Lagay natin sa gitna. Para ma-even out siya. Yan. Looking good. Check natin yung ating strawberry. See if meron bang sign of life. Wale. Obviously naman. Hindi pa nga 1 week yan. So, wala pa talaga yan. Yung tomato ni Mr. Wala. I-check natin ulit yung ating fruit cake. Wait, looks so good. Luto na siya. Luto na siya mga inday. So, representing. So, ito na yung ating fruit cake. Yan. It looks so masarap. It looks so yummy. So annoying. So ito na, masarap siya. Ang sarap ng amoy. What do you think about my fruit cake?
Have you tested it?
Yes, what do you think?
It's looking beautiful. Would you like to take it out of your tin?
Yes, please.
Because it's hot.
What are you doing? Oh!
You know what we're doing, just leave it like that. It's cool.
It looks good. And it flipped. Okay. So, ito yung hapunan ko. Sibas. John, tea is ready! Tea is ready! So, ito yung tea namin. Do you want a gravy with it?
So you've not done any gravy?
I did do a gravy, but I'm not sure where do you want to put it. This is mine. I want a little bit. Thank you. Just on my cauliflower. Yan. So, kain muna kami mga loves ha. Meron ako ditong sausawan. Suka at toyo. Yan, kain. We had our tea. So, ngayon naman, ito yung pudding natin. Titikman natin. Papasensyahan nyo na ha. Ito, sports bra to. Nag-workout kasi ako kanina. Konting workout lang. Yan. You do the honor.
What else is that? Huh?
Whatever, Han.
How big is it?
Make it into 8. 8 slices.
I'll take it one day at a time. Keep it shine.
Now you need to taste it. Say what do you think?
You've got to take the end bits first, you don't take the middle bits.
You need to try. I'm so excited to try my first ever fruit cake.
It's just a very light fruit cake, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
Is it okay? Right, okay. We need to try mga loves. So ito yung fruit cake natin. Which one? No, I don't like that. It's so big. I'll have this one instead.
Not too big, it's been fatter.
Sobrang sarap. So this will be the continuations of vlog na napanood nyo kanina mga palangga kasi unfortunately yung memory card ko kanina nag-memory card error. Bigla na lang talaga siyang nag-memory card error. So I was nervous earlier kasi hala, nag-memory card error siya. What if I cannot recover my vlogs? And luckily naman, na-recover ko. I am editing this vlog. So, yun na nga. Ito na yung parang continuation sa vlog natin na napanood nyo kanina. And parang ito na din yung ending sa vlog natin for today. So, yun na nga. Yung cake na binake ko, sobrang sarap. Masarap talaga yung sariling sikap. And yun na nga, dahil sa lockdown, walang mga bakery na naka-open dito. So, mainam na matututo akong mag-bake kasi why not naman, diba? So, it's another skills na i-add mo sa sarili mo na, ay, marunong na ako mag-bake. Oh, so, masarap naman talaga ang sariling sikap na bake at masarap yung homemade na cake. So, anyway, ito na yung vlog natin mga palangga. Maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta, sa pagmamahal. Maraming salamat talaga. Please look after yourself and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye!